I'm recording right now. But...
There we go.
Yeah, I did it. So I added the echo / sound test service to a group, something I didn't even know you could do. And watch this. You can actually make it join a group call. Watch this. This is what it does. You get this.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Yeah, you can actually add it to a group. Which is so funny.
Yeah.
And it's so cool. It's a bug with Skype, but I love it.
How do you even know?
You can
How
actually,
do you even? How to get that?
you can actually add it to a group. Which is so funny.
Yeah.
And now it's playing back for.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice,
Yeah. You can.
How do you add
It's just that was something I wanted to try and it actually worked. I'm so surprised.
What if we called the group and what if echo / sound test actually came?
It would. If you rang the group, if you rang everybody, it would actually. You know what? That would be a good way to sabotage a group, wouldn't it?
That's actually a good idea. You know what we should do?
What?
If we were to start a call, actually, do the go live, and then someone just ring the group.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna stop the recording.
I'm gonna upload it to YouTube.
Yeah, I'm uploading that too. That was funny.